In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently in 2020. So once you're logged into Instagram and you're on your profile, and you go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the far right at the bottom. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the page. Then you want to tap on settings, and then you want to scroll down to where it says help, tap on help, and then help center, tap on help center. That's going to open up a browser, and it says at the top, how can we help? You want to go ahead and type in there delete. The first option is how do I delete my Instagram account? Tap on that, and then you want to scroll down a bit to where it says number 1, go to the delete account page. You tap on that, and I'm going to open this up in Chrome. So now it's asking me to log in once again, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've logged in and now I'm on the delete your account page. Now all you need to do is give a reason. I'm just going to give this reason here, and then you want to type in your password once again, and then tap on the red permanently delete my account button. And that is how you permanently delete your Instagram account in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.